Welcome to the first session of our Cultivating Calm Series, where together we'll learn to find a sanctuary of peace in a not-so-peaceful world. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we are exploring a practice that is often the very first step toward a more spacious life, the gentle art of letting go of control. I'm Diana, and I'm honored to guide you. Take a full, deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth with a soft sigh. Our first act of letting go. Find a comfortable position, whatever feels right for you. When you're ready, let your eyes close softly or simply soften your gaze. Turn your palms open and upward, ready to receive. Continue to breathe at your own natural rhythm in and out through your nose. Sometimes it feels like everything is too much. And if we're completely honest with ourselves, sometimes it is too much. We carry so many invisible threads, trying to hold every piece of our lives and the lives around us in perfect order. But for the next few minutes, see if you can put down the heavy weight of trying to manage the whole universe. Let's practice finding our way back to the present moment. Bring your awareness to the points of contact where your body meets the surface beneath you. Let your energy be drawn down into the earth like a quiet root system holding you steady right here. You don't have to hold yourself up, you're already being held. Grounding helps pull you out of your head and away from the flurry of thoughts. Here you can rest, surrounded by the quiet support of the universe. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. You don't need to force it to be deeper or slower. Just notice it exactly as it is. The world has been spinning and moving in its own immense rhythm for a very long time, and it will continue to do so without our permission. When we try to manage the tides of everything around us, we don't end up controlling life. We end up being controlled by it. Living a calm life is possible. With intention and loving kindness towards ourselves, let's begin to cultivate that calm. With your next exhale, imagine releasing just a fraction of your grip. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let the furrows in your brow soften. Unclench your jaw. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Let your body simply relax. Let the thoughts of what needs to be done or of how others should behave drift away from you like clouds. Decide to let others be exactly who they are. Don't try to change what you cannot change. Let go of that burden. Remember, we cannot control the vastness of the outside world. We can only control our own inner world. And right here, in this quiet space, you can choose stillness. If your mind has wandered, that is entirely okay. Each moment is an opportunity to begin again. There's no standard you need to meet today. You're good enough exactly as you are, right in this very breath. Everything settles with practice. And now, let's sit in stillness. As you rest here for a few moments, believe that a calm life is possible for you. It doesn't mean a life where nothing ever goes wrong. It simply means a life where you know how to return home to your own center. Let go, grounding yourself in the steady energy of the earth, and just breathe. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, feeling life energy moving through them. When you feel completely ready, gently open your eyes. Come back to this meditation anytime you need to practice the art of letting go. If this space brought you a moment of peace today, I invite you to subscribe to 3 Leaves so we can continue to walk this path together with each new session. Until next time, be well.